Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Fiesta headlights. First, park your car on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly, as this impacts the adjustment. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape for this task. This preparation ensures you get the most accurate and effective headlight alignment. Next, let's mark the wall. Measure from the ground to the center of each headlight lens on your Fiesta. Transfer these measurements to the wall, making a horizontal mark for each. Then, draw a vertical line through each horizontal mark to pinpoint the exact center of where your headlight beams should aim. This creates a clear target for adjustment. Now, for the vertical adjustment. Open your hood and find the vertical adjustment screw on the back of each headlight unit. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw to move the beam up or down. You want the top edge of the low beam's brightest part to sit just below the horizontal line you marked. This ensures proper road illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. Finally, perform some crucial checks. Double-check that both headlights are aimed symmetrically and provide good illumination. Take your Ford Fiesta for a short drive at night to confirm the adjustment. If you're still unsure or experience issues, it's always a good idea to have a qualified mechanic review your headlight alignment. Proper aim is vital for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.